Michael, I want to talk about one of the little fining touches to your garden that I think is really important. It's not necessarily something that everyone sees, but it's so important to the structure of the garden, and that is this metal edging. I think many gardeners, they skip this step. They're all into the plants and the design, not that that's not important, but especially in this garden, because of all the different curves that you have, and that shape is really important to the integrity of this design. You really can't do that without some kind of edging, and this metal edging is really perfect for this scenario.
Well, actually, you're right. This was basically the last step. Everybody else thought we were done, right? But this was a big project. I want it to be around for many, many years, develop it and let it mature. We have Bermuda grass on the outside. We know how Bermuda can be invasive,
it's
right?
It's a forever battle.
What this does, this is by Colmet. Very high-grade steel, locks into place and everything, so it's very easy to install it. But what it does, it establishes that border. We have a very particular design and curvature in this garden. And if we allow the grass to creep into it, you know, it all of a sudden takes away that shape.
Absolutely.
Right? So we wanted to create that. And then as I use the weed eater, you know, I have something hard to go against and not have to worry about getting my plants and whatnot. You know, what I found out after the fact, we're on a pretty big slope here. Before we put this Colmet edging in, we were getting some really heavy rains.
Right.
And it was absolutely washing my mulch and my soil right down the hill. What I found out was by leaving that edging up a little bit, which I think is what you're supposed to do anyway.
Absolutely.
But what it did, it created an erosion control because it filtered the water around the edges to going down without washing it through my garden.
Absolutely. Yeah, and I was surprised at how easy it actually was to install. It's not hard to put down, and also it is a lot more affordable than I think most gardeners might assume. It's got a beautiful natural look to it, and in this scenario, which is common to so many gardens, you know, the edging's 4 inches deep, and you've got about half of it underground, so it's going to prevent these rhizomes from encroaching. It's going to basically keep your mulch where you want it, keep your grass where you want it. Everyone's happy.
I created other gardens, and before I found out about this, I was using stones and whatnot.
Right.
Very pretty, but it created cracks. Bermuda just creeps right in through it.
Right.
And,
yeah.
So I mean, the big deal was to protect my garden.
That's right. If you want something that is a permanent solution, it's metal edging.